Looking for an Ethernet cable that can keep up with your fast-paced digital life? The UGREEN Cat7 Ethernet cable promises a stable 10 gigabits per second data transmission speed and bandwidth up to 600 MHz, ensuring smooth online gaming, HD video streaming, and lightning-fast uploads and downloads. If you're tired of buffering and lag, this cable could be exactly what you need. What sets this cable apart is its blend of performance and durability. Wrapped in a quality cotton braided cord, the UGREEN Cat7 withstands bending over 10,000 times without breaking, making it ideal for long-term use. Plus, its unique flat and thin design lets you run it easily under doors, windows, or carpets, keeping your setup clean and organized without compromising safety. Whether you're wiring your home office or upgrading your gaming setup, this cable fits seamlessly into your space. Compatibility is never an issue with the UGREEN Cat7. Equipped with a standard RJ45 connector, it works perfectly with a wide range of devices, computers, laptops, routers, modems, gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox One, switches, and more. It's also fully backward compatible with older Ethernet standards like Cat6 and Cat5e, so you can upgrade your network without replacing all your gear. Another key benefit is its anti-interference design. The cable features 4 foiled shielded twisted pairs, UFTP, that significantly reduce crosstalk and interference from nearby cables, resulting in a faster, more stable connection. This is especially important in busy networking environments or when running cables close together. If you want a reliable, high-speed Ethernet cable that stands up to daily wear and tear while delivering consistent performance, the UGREEN Cat7 is worth a look. Its combination of speed, durability, and flexible design makes it a smart choice for anyone serious about their internet connection. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your network and experience smoother, more dependable connectivity.